Hey friends, Dr. Charlie Ware here, your leading expert in natural pain management and other chronic diseases. So what I'm teaching you today is how to actually increase your immunity and actually help repair your gut where all your immunity really is located because of the fact that the overuse of antibiotics. We know that as a sickle cell patients, most of you individuals are prescribed penicillin or other antibiotics because of the risk of having lower immunity. And theoretically, giving you these antibiotics will prophylactically actually increase your immunity. We find that this is actually false in a lot of people. You still get colds, you still get flus, and you get other bacterial infections as well as you also get acute chest syndromes too once you enter the hospital. And a lot of times what happens is you're not able to actually fight that chest syndrome because it is a secondary infection or the secondary diagnosis as well. First and foremost, number one, you want to, of course, as I always say, hydration is key. You want to make sure that you have the proper hydration because, again, a lot of these bacteria and viruses, if you have the proper trace minerals and have the proper electrolyte balance inside your body, it won't live because your pH is at a level where they're going to die off before they even enter your bloodstream. That's one. Proper hydration, make sure you have the proper electrolyte balance and also the proper pH of your actual body as well. Number two is going to be nutrition. Make sure you have a nutritious meal every day. No sugary snacks, no sugary drinks, and also you want to make sure that you're having at least 3 to 4 servings of something that's green, a green juice, green apple, collard greens, spinach. All those things actually help boost your immunity and also help repair your gut. Number 3 is fermented foods. Fermented foods are very important because of the fact that the fermentation process that actually happens in the gut is actually accelerated by actually having fermented foods. Fermented foods can be eating kombucha, sauerkraut, pickles, olives, things like that. And what happens is it allows your body to absorb more nutrients, thus also increasing your immunity and decreasing the stress on your actual gut itself. The last one, number 4, is actually having plenty of great probiotics inside your system. Probiotics are actually natural, good bacteria that's designed to actually help break down the food as well as help increase the immunity of your body as well. Again, the gut itself, you're loaded with tons and tons and tons of good bacteria inside there. But when you're taking the antibiotics, it kills all that stuff. You want to increase your immunity. You want to increase the good bacteria that's supposed to break down these foods and also supposed to actually prevent colds and flus from entering your body as well. So these probiotics will also help that out. Lastly, number 5, and to me the most important one, you can actually take our Virate. Virate is actually a dual action formula that we created here. The reason why we created this Virate is because of the fact that it's going to actually help keep your immunity increased, also fight any colds and flus, and the reason why it's good for actually help building the gut itself is going to let the stress of actually having to fight colds and flus be reduced inside the body and also decrease the inflammation inside the gut as well. It's very, very important. Again, guys, as I said, this is Dr. Charlie Ware, your leading expert in natural pain management and other chronic disease. You take care.